Hey everyone, alongside the launch of the Mi A2, Xiaomi is also releasing the Mi A2 Lite for those that are on a tighter budget. I'm Angie for GS Marina, and this is our quick hands-on review. The back is metal in the middle with plastic on the top and bottom. The camera design looks very similar to the Mi A2's, and close to it is the fingerprint sensor. The Mi A2 Lite has a 5.8-inch LCD display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. It sports a very controversial and substantial notch. The chin at the bottom isn't too subtle either. The phone runs Oreo and is part of the Android One program, which ensures minimal bloat. The phone has a 4,000 mAh battery. It's paired with the power-efficient Snapdragon 625, which should allow the Mi A2 Lite to last longer than the Mi A2. The Mi A2 Lite has a dual-camera setup with one 12-megapixel sensor and a 5-megapixel one that allows for portrait mode. If you don't want to splurge, but you want stock Android and an amazing battery, this is a phone you should take a good look at. However, it's still pretty early and we haven't done any in-depth testing, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll try to get to them in the full review. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you next time.